How to find items and products on Cnfans. So this is a simple and easy guide on how to find items and products on Cnfans. So first, you have to log into your Cnfans account. At the top of the homepage, there should be a search bar. Enter a specific keyword related to the item or product you're looking for example, smartphone, women's clothing, home decor. The platform will show a list of relevant products based on your search item. Browse by categories. Many e-commerce platforms, including Cnfans, organize products into categories and navigate to the category menu, often found at the top or on the side of the homepage, where you can select from different products like clothing, electronics, beauty, home goods, etc. After selecting a category, you can further refine your search by subcategories. Number 4, you can use filters to narrow down results. Once you're in a category, you may be able to use filters to narrow down your search. Common filters such as price range, seller rating, brand, location, discounts, or promotions. 5, sort products by relevance. You can often sort the product listing by criteria such as best-selling, highest rated, newest arrivals, or prices like low to high, high to low. Check the product pages for details. Once you find a product you're interested in, click on it to view more details. The product page will typically include product description, price, seller information, customer reviews. You can also see related or similar products listed on the page. So if you scroll down below, you can look for product promotions. Now, the very last thing is you can contact customer support for assistance. If you have trouble finding a specific product or need more help navigating the platform, you can contact Cnfans. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.